studied first geodetic engineering and cartography at the French National Institute in Paris. And then I got a DEA, which is Diplôme d'études approfondies in geophysics at the Paris 6 University, Pierre et Marie Curie. And then I got a PhD in seismology and earthquakes, etc., from the Institute of the Physics of the Globe in Strasbourg in France also. That was in 1987. Then I specialize, so I'm a specialist in the Dead Sea area. First of all, the first direction was the earthquakes, but in fact, when in the field, I saw that the problems, in fact, or the most important problems nowadays in the Dead Sea are related to the subsidence and sinkhole hazards that are taking place in that area. So I switched my research almost from 20 years and on to be divided equally between earthquakes and deformations and deformation measurements, deformation studies and interpretations. And also, finally, I'm cooperating with two very nice guys, Damien Clousson from Belgium, Royal Military Academy, and Paolo Pasquali from Sarmap, Switzerland, later. But with Damien from 1996 and with Paolo Pasquali from 2007, we are a team. So some of the work which is going to be presented here, especially as far as the interferometry radar is concerned, is in fact their contributions. My contribution was the monitoring of what is going on from early 90s. In 1991 we started, and you will see that most of the things we predicted or felt that it's going to take place, in fact took place, unfortunately, in terms of damages and the destructions of the infrastructure and the roads, bridges in that area. So this is the background. Now I'm working at the University of Jordan and working there from 1990. I worked for 3 years at the Royal Jordanian Geographic Center, which is the equivalent of the French National Geographic Institute, and then went to the University of Jordan from 1990 and on. Just the background of the problem. In fact, we know that everything done by man will have consequences on his environment. And this is what's taking place in the Dead Sea area. The Dead Sea area used to be we used to talk about earthquake risk in that area, which is moderate, in fact.